The cuisine of Pakistan is a rich blend of flavors and traditions, reflecting the country's diverse culture and geography. From the hearty spice rich dishes of Punjab to the savory meat focused cuisines of Pashtun regions, each area offers its own distinct culinary delights. Sindhi cuisine is known for its bold and tangy flavors, while Balochi food features simple yet flavorful preparations like saji. Karachi, a melting pot of cultures, offer a vibrant street food scene, and coastal regions excel in fresh seafood dishes. Together, these regional cuisines create a diverse and flavorful culinary heritage that is central to Pakistani culture. Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholaress. In this video, we will discuss different cuisines from Pakistan. Pakistani cuisine is as diverse as its culture, with each region offering its own distinct flavors and culinary traditions. Here's a look at the different types of cuisine across the country. Number 1. Punjabi cuisine. Popular dishes Biryani, Nihari, Kadhai, butter chicken, saag, and tandoori roti. Characteristics known for its rich spicy flavors and generous use of ghee. Punjabi cuisine is hearty and often includes meat dishes, lentils, and vegetables. Tandoori cooking is also a hallmark with naan and other breads baked in clay ovens. Number 2 is Sindhi cuisine. Popular dishes Sindhi biryani, saag, Sindhi kadai, Sindhi pulao, and saag. Its characters are Sindhi cuisine is known for its strong flavors with an emphasis on fish, rice, and wheat based dishes. The use of turmeric and other sour ingredients is common, giving the dishes a tangy edge. Number 3 is Pashtun, Peshawari cuisine. Popular dishes chapli kebab, Peshawari naan, lamb kadhai, Kabuli pulao, and dum pokht. Characteristics Pashtun cuisine is meat heavy, focusing on lamb, beef, and chicken, often cooked with minimal spices to highlight the natural flavors. Grilled meats, kebabs, and breads are staples, with a preference for simple yet flavorful preparations. Number 4 is Buluchi cuisine. Popular dishes saji, kaak, landi, and Balochi pulao. Characteristics Balochi cuisine reflects the nomadic lifestyle with dishes that are hearty and often cooked over open flames. Saji, a whole roasted lamb or chicken, is the most famous dish, known for its simple seasoning and smoky flavor. Fifth one is Kashmiri cuisine. Popular dishes Rogan Gosh, Yakhni Gustaba, and Kashmiri Pulao. Its characters are Kashmiri cuisine is known for its mild and aromatic flavors, with a focus on lamb, rice, and dairy products. The use of spices like saffron and cardamom, along with dried fruits and nuts, is typically in many dishes. Number 6. Karachi cuisine. Popular dishes Nihari, Halim, Biryani, and Bun Kebab. Its character are as a melting pot of cultures, Karachi's cuisine is diverse, blending flavors from all over Pakistan and beyond. Street food is particularly popular with a mix of spicy, savory, and sweet treats that reflects the city's vibrant culinary scene. Number 7 is Gilgit-Baltistani cuisine. Popular dishes Chapshura, Mamtu, and Harissa. Its character are the cuisine of Gilgit-Baltistan is simple and hearty, designed to sustain people in the cold mountainous region. Dishes often feature wheat, barley, and daily, with influences from Central Asia. Number 8 one is Mughlai cuisine. Popular dishes biryani, korma, kebab, and kofta. Its characters are influenced by the Mughal Empire. The cuisine is rich and flavorful, with a focus on meats cooked in aromatic spices, creamy sauces, and dried fruits. It's a luxurious style of cooking that often features in celebrations and feasts. Number 9. Street food. Popular dishes samosa, pakoda, chaat, golgappa, and dahi balla. Characteristics Street food is an integral part of Pakistani cuisine, offering quick, flavorful snacks and meals that are affordable and widely enjoyed. These dishes are often spicy, tangy, and full of contrasting textures. Number 10 on our list and last one is seafood. Popular dishes fish biryani, prawn kadhai, grilled fish, and fish curry. Its characters are particularly popular in coastal areas like Karachi and Gwadar. Seafood in Pakistan is fresh and often cooked with a blend of local spices, making for flavorful and aromatic dishes. Each region's cuisine reflects its local culture, climate, and traditions, contributing to the rich and varied culinary landscapes of Pakistan. I hope you will like my video, so kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.